I know you're cooking AI out there by yourself, but you don't have to anymore. There's the Microsoft Generative AI Hack coming up. What's going to happen there, you're going to be able to access the entire Azure universe with free credits. We're talking like 1,000 in each team. On top of that, we're going to access the responsible AI, so toolkit of Microsoft, get first-hand feeling how to do responsible AI at scale. Models, we've got the classical models, the GPT models, and also open source models are all fair game. Now I want to note that using the tooling in VS Code, very important, and multimodal is in, folks. Vision plus audio, audio plus text, that's going to be a key theme. How can you mix it up?